The average of 5 numbers is 17. If 4 of the numbers are 11, 14, 19, and 18, what is the fifth number? A. 21, B. 22, C. 23, D. 24, E. 25.
Pataasin ang chance na makapasa sa civil service exam sa tulong ng Earls Review Channel.
Meron given na 4 numbers. I-add natin plus yung pang 5th na missing number. 11 plus 14 plus 19 plus 18 plus n equals 17. Itong n yung pang 5th number. Ang average nilang 5 ay itong 17. Para makuha itong average na 17, i-add natin sila. 11, 14, 19, 18. I-add natin sila. 1 plus 4, 5. Plus 9, 14. Plus 8, 22. 2, carry over 2. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 62 plus n divided by 5 equals 17. Multiply both sides by 5. Cancel na ang 5. 62 plus n equals 17 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by 5, 35. 5, carry over 3. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Plus 3, 8. 17 multiplied by 5 equals 85. N equals 85 minus 62. Alam naman natin na pag nilipat itong plus 62, mapapalitan ang sign ng minus 62. Kaya, naging minus 62 dito. N equals 85 minus 62 is 23. 23 ang pang 5th number. Pag ini-add natin itong 11 plus 14 plus 19 plus 18 at itong 23 divide 5, ang average ay 17. 11 plus 14, 25. Plus 19, 44. Plus 18, 62. Plus 23, 85. Divide 5 para makuha ang average, which is itong 17. Kaya ang sagot ay C, 23.
Kung nakatulong ang video natin ngayon, please like, share, follow, and subscribe sa Earls Review Channel for more videos.